Graphic design is one of the easiest high income skills to start in 2026, even with just a mobile phone. But most beginners learn it the wrong way and never earn anything. They watch random tutorials, try different apps, and after a few days they quit. Not because graphic design is hard, but because they don't have the right roadmap. So in this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step roadmap, the best tools to start with, and how beginners actually start earning from graphic design. Graphic design is the skill of creating visuals that grab attention. Everything you see online, thumbnails, Instagram posts, logos, ads is designed. But here's the important part. Good design doesn't just look nice, it makes people click. Today, attention is everything, and businesses are ready to pay for designs that get clicks, views, and customers. That's why graphic designers are always in demand. Now, let's keep the roadmap simple and practical. Step 1, days 1 to 3. Learn basics like colors, fonts, and spacing. But don't just watch tutorials, create your first designs. Step 2, days 4 to 10. Start using Canva and create 5 to 10 simple designs. Focus on thumbnails and Instagram posts. Step 3, week 2, pick professional designs and try to recreate them. This is the fastest way to improve your skills. Step 4, week 3, start posting your work online, Instagram, or any portfolio platform. Here's where most beginners make a mistake. They directly start with advanced tools like Adobe Photoshop and get confused. Instead, start with Canva. It's simple and powerful enough to get your first client once you're comfortable, then move to professional tools. This is the difference between a beginner design and a professional one, and this difference is exactly why people pay graphic designers. Now let's talk about earning you. Don't need to be perfect to start. Small YouTubers pay 200 rupees to 1000 rupees for a single thumbnail. If you create just 2 to 3 designs daily, you can start building income. You can find clients on Instagram, freelancing platforms, or small creators. Before clients trust you, you need proof. Create 10 to 15 good designs and post them online. This becomes your portfolio. Avoid these mistakes: using too many fonts, over designing, copying without understanding, ignoring spacing. Simple and clean designs always win. Most people will watch this video and do nothing, but if you practice for just 7 days, you'll already be ahead of most beginners. So start today. Create your first design and comment started below, and subscribe, because in the next video I'll show you another high income skill.